Ukrainian army destroyed the Russian convoy advancing in the Toshkivka region. We are here with the last-minute developments of the Russian Federation's offensive against its western neighbor, Ukraine. Do not forget to like the video before moving on to the news. The war that started fiercely between the two countries with the entry of the Russian army into the territory of Ukraine has been continuing for 116 days without interruption. The Russian army, which started its offensive with the aim of invading Ukraine within 3 days, could not achieve the success although 116 days have passed. The correct use of equipment received by the Ukrainian army from the west against the powerful Russian army caused the Russian army to suffer great losses. The loss of both personnel and equipment increased to a considerable extent, and the soldiers of the Russian army began to fear and not want to fight. This led to failures, as it prevented the Russian army from fighting by focusing on a single goal. The Ukrainian army, which was able to prevent the successive attacks of the Russian army quite faithfully, went on the offensive in order to repel the Russian army from its country. This led to incredible losses for the Russian army. Today the Russian army received another news of the casualties. According to a breaking news today, Ukrainian forces destroyed the Russian convoy advancing in the Toshkivka region. The Russian army, which suffered great losses thanks to the fierce attacks of the Ukrainian forces, sent its convoy to Ukraine to deliver equipment to the troops whose equipment was running low. In the images taken from Ukrainian sources, a convoy of Russian vehicles is seen heading towards the Toshkivka area, led by a T-72 and BMP-1. The Ukrainian army, which detected the convoy with unmanned aerial vehicles, immediately transmits artillery units to the region. Ukrainian artillery fire is targeting the group. Later in the image, the moments of destruction of Russian vehicles are seen.